I know. We all have tons of content, right? We have multiple page documents, we have templates we've saved, we have all of the things. What if you only want to use one page from a multiple page design? I'm going to show you how right now. So we are in Canva, and I opened a blank Facebook post design size. So I'm going to come over here in the left-hand menu, and I'm going to click Projects, and I'm going to click Folders, and I'm going to type in the name of the folder that I saved my design in. Type in bulk, go to bulk posts. And if you click to here, I have a design that we made previously, and I can come in here and I can select just one page. So if we come here, now I can resize my text however I want it, and I can make this whatever I want it to be. I can come here and edit, and I can change. If I click filters, let's just make this that color. It's kind of pretty. I like that one. It's even brighter. The brighter, the better, right? And then I can come in here and I can put in whatever I want. I can put an uploaded photo if I have one of those in here. Let's just type in passion and see what we get. And let's choose a graphic that we love. This looks good. And let's turn that a little bit. We'll bring it in. And then from here, my bulk post was already saved. It's all there. And now I have just a one-page design that I can click share, and I can schedule on my Facebook page, or I can download it, or I can post it on my Pinterest, my Instagram, my TikTok. I could resize it to a Facebook story, whatever I want to do. But that, my friends, is how you do it. So I hope this tip helps you. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment. In fact, I would love it if you'd leave me a comment or a thumbs up, or if you like what I'm creating and these tips are helpful for you, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.